I'm going to set up Google Analytics for my level 1 example site here. I'm going to click on the wheel and go to Manage Site. If you scroll down, you get to this bit where it says Statistics, and it says Enable Analytics for this site. So where it says No Analytics, you're going to click on where it says Use Google Analytics. Now it wants you to get this code number here, and you do that by clicking on the Learn More option. And you are going to configure Google Analytics for Google Sites. On here, you are going to choose the option on number 1 that says Google Analytics Sign Up page. And you're going to click on Sign Up. When you get to this page, I'm going to put in, this is the top level. Underneath that top level, you can have lots of different sites that you track underneath it. So I'm going to call this top level example sites, and I can put all of my example sites underneath this top umbrella. My website this time is my level 1 site, and then it wants the URL. So I'm going to go back and get the URL. Just going to choose other here because none of them seem to fit. And time zone. There we go. Then all the way down here, you're going to click on Get Tracking ID. Just want you to agree. This is the tracking ID that you need here, so I'm going to just grab that and go back to Manage Site. And paste that into here. Save that. Now the other piece of information on here is some HTML. Now you need to grab hold of that, copy it, and now it says on here that you need to copy and paste it into every page that you want to track. I have only ever pasted it onto the first page of my sites, and it seems to give me all the information that I want because it lets me know what pages people go on and how long they've spent. So what I've been doing is I've been going on the first page of my site, putting it into edit mode, clicking on the HTML, and then all the way down the bottom of your page, just paste in that HTML. You won't see it on your page, it's just for the tracking code to use, and update that. Just OK that's fine. And save. Now then, on Google Analytics, I have got it saved. So when I go on Analytics here, I've got various things that I'm tracking, my graphics, my Ako Tamaki from last year. You can see underneath the title graphics I've got lots of different ones that I'm tracking. And this was my new one, this example site, so I'm just closing up these so you don't get confused about what I'm looking at. This example sites one here, this is the one we've just made. And underneath here we've got level 1, and all website data is where you're going to click on. Now there's nothing there at the moment, but that will start tracking you some information once it starts coming through. Give it some time though.